Oh. Okay. So today on Bible Talk with Alicia, you can see we moved, and it's not kind of like normal. We have a person. And this is my friend Kelsey. She's the person in the background who goes, "Whoa, I'm in!" type things. She's very important to me. Okay. Grandma, shut up. Okay, so this is the last week of our God love type thing, understanding the love of God for us, and I'm going to do a demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to put you down a little bit. Okay, so yeah, you can't see much. Okay, so this cup represents, okay, can't even see. Okay, this cup represents God, but you can't really see, you know, like how that's, like, you can't really see if it says God, but it says God right here. Just think the red one's God. Okay, so here's God. Here's a disciple with a relationship with God. And then here is a disciple with another, you know, a relationship with God. And then here is a disciple that is a lukewarm Christian, and that means pretty much like where you don't really care, you're just going through the motions and stuff. Yeah, Kelsey. Yeah, God's above all. Okay. And we're going to do a little demonstration where we're going to use like these like straws to like suck up water and stuff like that. Can you fill this up with water? Okay, thank you. We're gonna suck up like the water with these straws. You know how like you put it in there and then you put the cap over and then you, yeah. We're gonna do that. And so this is a connection because you and God have that connection and He loves you. And thank you. Yes, the water. Okay, and then when you're lukewarm, it kind of cuts off because like if you are just going through the motions, then you really aren't, a little bit more. Then you really don't have that, thank you. Then you really don't have like that relationship with God that you want. So going to 2 minutes, okay. We're gonna do a part 2 to this one because it's gonna probably be long. Okay. So, and then, okay. Thank you. So, we're going to put some yellow dye in this to symbolize God's love. So we have color, and plus color is fun. Okay.
Yay for color.
Okay. And I'll let you see this in a second. Ooh, it's like orange color. Okay, I just wish you could see this
like
from an angle view.
Like the sun.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so, in this demonstration, Kelsey, do you want to be which straw do you want to be?
I'll be the...
Okay, so here's our lukewarm disciple. Okay, we'll put you right here then.
And we could just put it up on there again.
Yeah. I'm going to put you right here. Yeah, we can see a little bit more. Okay, so now we're going to try to get as much of this God's love into our thing. In like a minute, let's set the timer. Okay, and we're gonna go. Here you go.
One by four inches.
Yeah, that one. What is going on with this thing? What the heck? This is not looking good for the disciple, like the third disciple. Okay. Grandma? Come on. I think the minute's almost up. Go around, Grandma.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. Should we listen to more of like that song?
No, it's okay.
It'll
be over.
Oh,
there we go.
Okay, so as you see, there is a considerable difference. Like here, look at it's way more than this one. See, it's so harder to connect with God if you are just a lukewarm Christian and like you don't get that same connection. You can rinse your plate out if you want. You don't have that love connection with God. Yeah, sure. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour like a little bit more of the thing right in here. And since this is also a disciple, I'm gonna pour some of this in here. See? Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so here are, let's say these are like the smaller cups. These are the people who don't know God. And like that Jesus paid for us sins. It just, okay. And then, can you dump this out and get some like small bit of fresh water? Oh, actually no. Here, just fill this up a little bit. Okay. Yes, the little one. Okay, this is going on 6 minutes, and we're going to do like a little like halftime. We're going to do like, this is going to be the demonstration, and then I'm going to do like, thank you. I'm going to do like the other stuff. Okay, so now since this is God's love, and all love comes from God, and so our disciples can pour in love from God into them. Not like literally, but like, you know. And so, got that one down. This is how love is spread from God to us, to other people who don't know God, or don't, you know, exactly like God. And so, the bad disciple, it didn't get much at all. So we're going to label what?
Show me blue food coloring.
Blue food coloring. Bless you! And here's the yellow-orange stuff. Okay. Okay, so you see that this is the blue stuff, and that symbolizes the love, that this is false love right here. Like, that's what came out of, like, this disciple. Like, you barely got any of God's love because the connection between you guys just kind of lost it when you don't accept God's love and when you don't, like, you don't seek it, per se. And so here are the two things. Here are two of the people who don't know God. Us disciples, we poured our love, we passed on the love. It's like a never-ending flow of love from God. And we're going to put it into the same thing, and they're going to put it into someone else. See? It's the same love. And now we're going to have this disciple try to love another person. Maybe it's a boyfriend, a girlfriend, whatever. And then you put that in here, and the colors change. And that's just tampering. It's just mixing. And you can't mix the ultimate love and false love. Mom's like, nope, amen. So, that was my demonstration on how God's love, how we can pass God's love on. I'm going to extrapolate on that more. But that's how we can pass on God's love. And how it's just like a simple, like, it's just this simple cycle, you know, this simple, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like this, like, can you just throw that away? It's like this never-ending circle, this cycle. It's not a cycle, well, it is kind of, like, you can reuse the love, I suppose. But, like, if you love others through God, then other people just eventually will see God. I truly believe that. Oh, look at all the false water we have here. False love. So, yeah, I really hope I made that kind of clear. But basically that's how I think it is shown. So we're gonna do another take. We're not another take. We're going to get down to the Bible part of it. So we'll be right back. Flip to the take 2 thing, or like this part 2. All right, thank you.